Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Ipsy Plus versus Boxycharm for December 2018. I will also be doing a Boxy Luxe unboxing that will be posted tomorrow, which is Friday. I got both because I asked you guys, did you want me to do the Ipsy Plus versus Boxycharm, or did you want me to do the Boxy Luxe separate? And there's some mixed stuff, so I said, you know what, let me just do both and do a giveaway. So for some of the duplicate items, I will do a giveaway in those, as well as maybe some other beauty items I have around. I will be talking about the giveaway in my Boxy Luxe video tomorrow. So if you're interested in that giveaway, go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss my video tomorrow. Also, it's going to be a requirement in the giveaway. You can't win unless you're subscribed. So if you want to go ahead and get ahead of the game, go ahead and subscribe now. So Boxycharm is $21 a month and Ipsy Plus is $25 a month. So let's go ahead and get started. I will start with the Ipsy Plus first and then go into the Boxycharm. I will leave a stamp down below when the Boxycharm starts if you're more interested in that. I will also leave my referral links to both boxes down below if you're interested in signing up. I believe with Boxycharm right now you can get the Dr. Brandt Pore Primer if you sign up with my link. If not, it's another really cool, awesome beauty product. So let's go ahead and get in. I think I was talking really fast, so I apologize. So when you open Ipsy up, it says Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And if you can hear stuff in the background, I live in the city, so it's really hard for me to avoid. It says, hey Ipster, it's time to dig into your December Glam Bag Plus. And then they have the blue foam with all of the goodies inside. Let me start with this. I added this on with my Ipsy points. I just got a small little thing of the Boom Boom Cream. So if you review your products that you get every month, you get points. And so I just decided to redeem it on that. So that's not part of my box. So let's go ahead and open the pamphlet and start pulling things out. The first thing that I am pulling out is from F.A.R.A.H Beauty, and this is the Gold Face Brush Trio. The retail value is $40. And what's really cool is that they have the little plastic packaging on top. So these look like just tickle face brushes. I think one could be blush and contour, powder. So excited for those. I love getting brushes in my boxes, so this makes me very happy. Cool. If you got the Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular $10 one, which I've already posted a video for if you're interested in that, everybody got a F.A.R.A.H eye blending brush in that one as like a 6th item. So I have more to match the set. Cool. Then the next thing I am pulling out is from Klorane, and this is their dry shampoo with oat milk, and it's retailed for $20. I don't use dry shampoo that much, but I will be going to Germany this summer to visit my family, and showering there is a little bit iffy, so this will be definitely a great thing to pack when I go there. Then the next thing I'm pulling out is from 111 Skin. This is their Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and it retails for $180. I know that their stuff is very expensive, so let's go ahead and pull this out. Take a look at it. It is 20 mils, so cool. Let's see what it smells like. Sometimes someone said it smells like oranges. I don't smell oranges, but I do smell skincare. If you look at the liquid, it's kind of clear, maybe slightly yellow tinted, but it smells good. It just smells more like skincare than oranges to me. Very excited about that because I love receiving skincare in my boxes. Then the next thing I'm pulling out is the Smith & Colt Book of Eyes palette in Interlewd. The retail value for this is $44. So this, I believe, is the purple hued palette. Not really what I would totally want, but I actually am gonna keep this one for myself to mess around with. Oh, this feels cheaper than what I had thought. It has like an imprint on the front. You can see my Christmas tree lights reflecting in it. The Christmas tree is back there. And this is, let me take that off and close the mirror. That's what it looks like. That can just be thrown away. Nobody uses those. So they're pretty shades. Oops. I don't wear a lot of purples, but I don't really own a lot of purples, so I may play around with this a little bit and try it out. I've never tried their eyeshadows before, so that's part of why I'm intrigued. Now, Ipsy, I know that for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, there's only like 8 or 9 things that you can get, so you're more limited. But I feel like it also means that they need to pay attention more closely to your profile. If you're going to say that you're using a profile, they should really stick with that. And I know that in my profile, I only have neutral eyeshadows selected, and they did have a neutral eyeshadow palette that you could have received from Smith & Colt. So I'm fine with the purple. I would have been happier with that one. And if they're truly following profiles, then that is how it should be. Boxycharm is not using their profiles yet, so I feel like they can get away with a little bit more than Ipsy Plus can at this point. And then the last item I'm getting is from Estee Lauder. This is a Pure Color Love lipstick in Strapless, and it retails for $22.50. Okay, I was thinking online there were some really bright reds, but I actually like this color. This is what it looks like. How do you open it? Oh, this is very intimidating. All right, and that is what it looks like there. It has a very interesting top. Okay, I will definitely use that color. It's a little bit deeper, but it's more neutral. It is not bright red. Very excited for this because Estee Lauder is expensive makeup, and that is bougie packaging, let's be real. And then I didn't realize it was already 3 months, but I have my the next bag. So you get a bag every 3 months, and okay, it is one of the ones that you can change around on both sides. Sounded like one of them fell off. I guess maybe not. And then it has a little strap here that you open. There's just some tissue paper on the inside and a silica packet. So that's just plain on the inside. Does it say Ipsy anywhere? Oh, it does. It does say it here, but you can barely see it. I was about to say an Ipsy bag that doesn't say Ipsy. I'm okay with that, but whatever. So I think this is really cool. So if you haven't watched my videos before, I do a point system for the boxes. So for each item that I get, I give it a point if I like it and I'm going to use it. I give it 0 points if I just don't really like it. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use it. Probably something I'd give away. And then a half a point if like I like it, but I'm not really sure how much I'm going to use it. So let's go through what I got in the box and I'll bring my points up. So for this is a 1 point for me. I really, really like it. That's a hit. This is going to be a half a point because I kind of have a use for it, but not really sure how much I will use it. The Skin 111 Brightening Boosting Serum is a 1, so that's 2.5 out of 5 so far. Then the lipstick, I actually really love the shade, so I'm going to give that a 1, even though I don't wear lipsticks that much. I'm just really excited about that color, so that's a 3.5. And then the eyeshadow palette in the purple colors, I'm going to give a half a point as well because I want to mess with it and experiment with it, but I don't know how often I'm realistically going to wear the purples. So that makes my box a 4 out of 5 for Ipsy. Let's see how Boxycharm does. I'm not going to count this in it just because I like the added extra, but it's not comparable to Boxycharm in that way. So let's go ahead and open Boxycharm. This month's theme is "'Tis the Season," spelled like sea as in the beach. And what version do I have? Oh, I have version 1. Okay. So the first thing I am pulling out is from Pretty Vulgar. And it's not going to focus. That's great. There we go. And this is the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder Mad About It. And it's $32. I have very oily skin, so I love getting setting powders because I use them up like nobody's business. And there is a little cute little pink poof that I'll probably never use, but it's cute. And it is sealed up there. So very excited. It doesn't look super translucent. It actually looks like it has a little bit of pink or yellow hue to it, but it'll work. I'm excited to try that out. Like I said, I can always use a setting powder. Then I am pulling out from Tarte. It is the Shimmering Lip Paint in the shade Insta Famous. And this retails for $20. Let's go ahead and pull it out and see. I think this is the pinky kind of shade. There's 3 different shades I think you could have gotten. And it is the kind of pink shade. Oh, and if you didn't get this, you would have gotten a Wander Beauty like blush and highlight palette that can also pair as a eyeshadow. So let's go ahead and swatch this on the back of my hand. So I believe that this comes across as more of a sheer glitter. Yes, it does. This will be really pretty. I love lip glosses. So there, you can't really see the sparkle in the camera, but it is really pretty. It doesn't look pretty in camera, but it does look pretty. Some beautiful pink reflex. Let me actually put some on my lips. I have an Anastasia lip on right now. Well, I don't know. My lips are so matte that it's hard to see, but it did add some shine, so I think it looks really cute. Very excited about that item. All right, what's next? Then from Bodyography, we have a lip pencil in Heatherberry. And this retails for $12. And actually, I wonder when this might be too pink. It may actually work with this lipstick that I got from Estee Lauder. Let me go ahead and swatch this. That is what that looks like there. I guess I didn't swatch that lipstick, but I'll go back and I'll swatch it really quick for you guys just so that you can see that shade and we can see if it'll actually work with the oh wow, it's a really creamy lipstick. It's a little bit pinker, but it's actually lighter than the lip liner, so that actually I think could work really well together. Let me know in the comments, do you think that those two pair well? I don't usually line my lips. I don't usually wear lipstick like that anyway, so let me know if you think that combo would be a good combo. All right, then from Cosmedix, with an X at the end, is their Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. It has 1.3 ounces in it, and this retails for $30. I love skincare, I love masks, so can never have enough. Then the last item, which will be going in my giveaway, is the Protege Suva palette. Let me at least get it out of the plastic. If you didn't get this, you would have gotten a mini flat iron. I don't need one of those, I already have one of those. I got it from Sephora years ago and it still works. So this is retails for $34. Let me open up and show you. I just don't need another palette right now, and I know that one of you guys would enjoy this more. There will obviously be more than just this in the giveaway, but you'll have to wait for my Boxycharm video before I announce some of the other things that will be in there. So that is what the palette looks like. I'm obviously not going to swatch since I'll be giving it away. Let me close that up. So let me go ahead and give this a rating. So for this, because I'm giving it away, if I were to keep it for myself, I'd probably give it a half a point because I don't know how often I'd reach for this. So let's go ahead and give that a half a point. For the powder, that is definitely a point, so we're at 1.5 points. The mask is a point for me, so 2.5 points. The Tarte lip paint is a point for me because I don't own anything like it, so I probably will use it, so 3.5 points. And then this lip pencil, I love the shade and I think I will end up using it, so I will give that another point, which makes it 4.5 points. So technically, that Boxycharm wins for this month. Point system wise, I don't know. I think they're both very similar, so it kind of just depends. One month it's going to be Boxycharm, one month it's going to be Ipsy. That's kind of how I feel right now. Now that could totally change, and when Boxycharm does start to use their surveys, their boxes could get way better. So we'll kind of just have to wait and see. I will continue to do the Ipsy versus Boxycharm every month, and then on the months that we do BoxyLux, I will continue to do that video in a separate video. So like I said, I will be doing my giveaway in my BoxyLux video tomorrow, which will be Friday. So go ahead and look out for that. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.